Hi, and welcome to the EZReader App Starter tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to use the App Starter Launchpad. App Starter is an EZReader Launchpad, which is simply a way to access EZReader applications. App Starter is configured as a large desktop icon, and it is set up as a Windows startup program. Please note that the Easy taskbar or any other EZReader Launchpad must be closed to run App Starter. Once the computer has been powered on, you will see a large icon on your desktop. The icon will show a letter or an image, generally one that correlates with the application it is set to open, such as C for camera or E for editor. These icons can also be thought of as a desktop shortcut to an EZReader application. The icons can be customized using letters, images, and they can be different sizes. You can also adjust speech settings. You can use a single click or a double click to open, and you can choose to allow for an easy exit or a never close feature. As you hover over the icon or press on the icon with a touchscreen, you will hear the name of the application.
Over camera.
As you move off the icon, you will hear off target.
Off target.
To open the application, simply click the icon or press and hold for a touchscreen. You will hear speech saying opening the specific application.
Over camera. Opening camera.
Now the EZReader camera application is open. To close the application, click on the exit icon located at the top left of your screen. You will now be taken back to your Windows desktop where you should still see your App Starter icon. Another note, you can move the App Starter icons by mouse click on the top left corner of the icon and drag.
Over camera. Off target.
Once placed, the icon will stay in the same place after restart. There are two ways to close the App Starter icons. If the icon has focus, you can press Alt F4 to close.
Over camera.
I'm going to click to get focus. Press Alt F4.
Exiting camera.
Or if you have Easy Exit on, that enables a right mouse click to close the App Starter.
Over editor.
I'm going to right mouse click.
Exiting editor.
If you happen to accidentally close the App Starter icon, you can reopen a couple different ways. One is to open taskbar. And use the keyboard shortcut W, as in Windows, to open the Windows Start menu. From here, find the file name for your App Starter and click to open. Now you should see the icon reappear on your desktop. The second option is to simply restart your computer. For instructions on how to set up App Starter, please watch the App Starter setup tutorial video. You can also reach out to the EZReader support team at any time for additional help.